Today guys, we have cool Discord reward. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, when you open your Discord today like me and move here to discover, move here to quests, you will see Season 1 Chapter 2 quest. As you can see, claim a friend of Dex avatar decoration. Play Fragpunk for 15 minutes with your Discord client open and get this cool avatar decoration. Just go here, accept quest, click on it and you will see select platform to get started. Click on it and choose like me desktop. If you don't have game, go on these vertical dots and you will see here get game. Click on it and go here visit. As you can see, you can download game on Steam. Just download fast Steam and create account. After downloading Steam and create account, move here to search and type like me Fragpunk and you will see it's free game. Click on it. Add game to library, download game, play for 15 minutes and make sure your Discord is open. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward avatar decoration for your Discord profile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.